Again, we are in the Eaton Center. Wow! 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 Okay, security's already told me to stop. I'm on the radar. Sorry, I thought I saw a squirrel. That's my bad. I swear to God, my dog taught me bad habits. Oh shit, I think they're following me. Guys, I think I'm gonna get banned from the Eaton Center. Sir, do you think it's okay to bark if you see a squirrel?
Yo, you gotta go. Gotta get out, let's go.
I'm sorry?
You gotta get out the mall.
Go where? There was a squirrel.
Sorry,
Outside the mall.
You can't have your phone out recording like this.
You are allowed to film in public, sir, especially
not
because
public.
you're... Yes, it is.
It's private property.
Yes or no, anybody can walk off the streets and come to the Eaton
Can
Center.
we move away from the escalator?
Sure. So, why are you coming up to me, sir?
Coming up to you because it causes disturbance. You're out here bugging people.
I'm just barking.
That's called causing disturbance. You're disrupting people.
Do you have a dog?
No, I don't.
I do.
The exit's right there. You can gladly head out over there, all right?
Are you banning me?
No, I'm not banning you. I'm just making sure you're leaving the building for the day.
Sir, can you just wait for a second?
So, I'm not banned from the Eaton
Okay.
Center.
Listen,
No, for the day.
I'm just going to
come back.
document this, so to be clear, just for the day.
record all you want.
Yep. If you keep doing something like this, then we are gonna ban you.
I don't want that, sir.
Okay, so just
I
leave
will
for the day.
respectfully make my way
Thank you,
off
sir.
the property.
Thank you.
Bye. I got kicked out of the Eaton Center. Yep, that's right. Don't worry, I'm going. I don't know where I'm going from here, but